Hey, Kennedy. Hey, y'all. Guess who I'm in the kitchen with today? My little sidekick, Kennedy. Tell him hey. Hey, guess what we're making today? You know what we're making? Reese bars. Reese bars. Reese bars, also known as chocolate peanut butter bars. These are so easy. And Kennedy, do you like peanut butter? Do you like butter? Do you like chocolate? Okay, so we're gonna be happy campers in a very short time because we're gonna make this really fast dessert, okay? And the only thing you have to do to cook is to melt your chocolate chips. So we're just gonna dive right in. The first thing we're gonna do is get us a box of graham crackers. These are graham cracker crumbs right here, right? So we gotta open it. See the graham cracker crumbs? So we gotta open it and pour it in the bowl. Do you want me to work on it or are you good? While she's doing that, I'm gonna pour in 16 ounces of confectioner's sugar. She is a great helper. There we go. And I'll be glad to cut. That's okay, just leave it, just leave it. Stuff happens in the kitchen and we're gonna roll with it. So we got 16 ounces of confectioner's sugar. And now I'm gonna cut this off of here and Kennedy's gonna pour in the graham cracker crumbs. You ready? There we go. Get them all in there. We got most of them in there, that's good. Now what we're gonna do is stir this together. Let me get you a whisk. Don't use that one yet. Let me get you a whisk. This is a big whisk. You think you can use this one? There, now just stir around. I'll help you because this is a lot of stuff here. It's a lot of stuff, isn't it? This is gonna be so good. Now we gotta make that all stirred in, so here we go. Now we're gonna do this in 2 batches because Kennedy needs to take some home to who? Who are you taking these to?
Carter.
Carter. Who is Carter?
My brother.
Her brother. How old is Carter?
5.
Is he in school? How old is he? He's 7. She missed a couple of years. He's 7, so he's in school. He's in big boy school, right? Okay. All right, Kennedy, there we go. We got it stirred. Next thing we got to do is melt some butter. Can you open this butter and put it back down in here? We need 1.5 sticks of butter. And I'll take that when you get through and just put that in there. Yeah, let's try not to drop that. Very good. Excellent, madam. Oh, no, not there. Whoops! Stuff happens in the kitchen, doesn't it? How about putting it in there, okay? Now you open that one and put it in there, and we will get this melted in just a jiffy. It won't matter. This is one of those recipes you just can't mess up. So Kennedy and I are playing in the kitchen today, and I'm so glad you came to see me. And I think I've told you before that Kennedy is my niece. She's actually my great niece. She's my niece's daughter. You ready? Okay, I gotta melt this, so let me pop it in the microwave. Let's do about 33 and see what happens. You know what else we gotta add? Peanut butter. We gotta add 12 ounces of creamy peanut butter. So we're gonna do creamy, and let me see about getting it all out of here. Y'all know peanut butter's thick, isn't it? Look at all that peanut butter. Where are you gonna use this whole jar, Kennedy? What do you think about that? Good. We're gonna do 12 ounces. Now you do have to save one tablespoon to put in the topping. And Kennedy and I have already done that, haven't we, Kennedy? Yes, we have. Now we gotta stir this, and I'm gonna tell you, Kennedy, this is gonna take muscles. Have you got any muscles in those arms? Let me see. I see some muscles. It's gonna take muscles. So we have gotta get our muscles ready and start barely stirring. Can you barely move that around? Just barely move it. Barely move it. Okay, that's not ready yet. There we go. Keep going. You're doing so good, Kennedy. It's going to take both of us taking turns because this does get hard to stir. But Kennedy's doing a good job because we're going to have Reese bars when we get through in a minute, aren't we? They're like homemade Reese cups. Okay, let's see. When we pour the butter in, it's gonna make it a little easier. Are you about ready for me to pour the butter in? Okay. Okay. Ooh, it's very hot, baby girl. Don't let it touch you. We don't want any of you getting burned, do we? Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Go ahead and barely going, okay? Now just go easy and hold on with one hand to this because we don't want it falling in the flour. We would cry, wouldn't we? We'd say we lost our dessert. And the recipe doesn't call for any water, but I usually keep some water handy in case it's dry. Because you know, you gotta be able to pour it in, right? That's my ice maker. Did you hear my ice maker? It dropped some ice. That's what that means. Is your arm tired yet? You want me to take a turn? You gotta go get your tea? Okay, well Kennedy needs a drink of her tea. So while she's getting it, I'm going to do a little bit of stirring. Now, y'all, I'm telling you, this does take some muscles. So I think Kennedy's drinking Georgia peach. Is that what you're drinking? She's drinking Georgia peach tea from y'all. And I'm stirring. Is it good? What do you like about it?
Sweet.
It's sweet tea. She likes sweet tea. Well, she takes after me because I like it too. In a minute, you're gonna have to help me press that in there. Are you gonna be ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me stir and we'll make sure we get this stirred up good. And about this point, I'm going to add a little bit of liquid because to make it a little bit easier. Now, when we get this all patted down, we're going to melt the chocolate chips. But right now, I just gotta get my muscles in here. How's your muscles doing?
Good.
Good. Tell me about your baby brother.
Good.
So what's his name?
Dawson.
Yeah, what do you call him? Thank goodness for lids, right? We're not gonna worry about that, are we? We'll get that in a minute. So tell me about Dawson. Is he 20 years old?
No,
How
he's 5 months.
Oh yeah, he's a new one. Did Mommy have a big belly? Mommy had a big belly, didn't she? And then we got Dawson.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my arm's tired. Can you stir for a minute?
Yes.
Okay. There. It's just press it down. Yeah, it's tough. There we go. Tell me when you're tired and I'll start trying it. Ooh, I think it's slinging. Let me see if I can do it now. You want to taste of that bite? Did it just sling out? Tell me what it tastes like.
Good.
It's good. It's got peanut butter and graham crackers and sugar. What's not to love, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm just gonna have to
Try it
manhandle
right
this.
there.
You can have it. This is the second batch I've made today. I've already tried some. What do you think?
Good.
Who's gonna like it that lives at your house?
Me.
Me. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I've got to get my hands in there because that's the way this is. So I'm going to do that and then I'm going to give you some to press down in yours. So here I go. Get your hands in there, baby girl. Start squeezing because we got to get this mixed and it's being a little tough. I'm going to pull the crumbs up there. Squeeze them in. There we go. We're going to enjoy these. Aren't we, girl? We're going to enjoy them. And she's a pro, and she has big muscles, don't you? That's good. All right, now I'm gonna put some in your pan, and we gotta flatten it flat, like what is that? Like a crust, kind of. Are you sneaking a bite? Are you sneaking a bite? Okay, let me divide this in two, and I'm gonna get you a big dose. Now, what I need you to do. This is going to be the bottom, and instead of squeezing it now, I need you to press it flat like this. Can you press it? And I'm going to get this going, and it's going to take a long time, so take your time, all right? just a piece of butter that didn't melt. Okay. Now I'm going to pour the rest of it in here. So you have a pan to take home and I'll have a pan to keep. Because David's out working with the cows. Is it good? I know it. It is good. I may have to leave a few crumbs for you. I'll leave those crumbs right over there. Mmm. I've left Kennedy a little in the bottom of my bowl. I think she's finding them. And I'm gonna push these down pretty good. Kennedy, can I work on your dough a minute? Let me put a little bit more of mine in here. For some reason, some of yours is gone over here in the corner. Did you eat that? Well, we got you some more, so it's gonna be fine. Now what we have to do is just press them down hard. So while you're eating this other stuff, let's pull this back over here where you can be seen in the camera thing. I left Kennedy some in there because she likes it, don't you, Kennedy? And I'm still working on this. Very good. Oh my, Kennedy. Oh, you're still sneaking it. You're still sneaking it. I see you sneaking that. All right, let's press this down a little bit more. I'll spread some over there because for some reason this corner keeps being empty. And now you know what we got to do? We got to melt the chocolate. You want to melt the chocolate? You ready to melt it? I'm going to melt the chocolate and then I'm going to bring it over here and let her spread it on. You want to spread the chocolate? Okay, and I'm going to tell you how I'm going to do it and then, yeah. Okay, hang on a minute because I want you to see this part. All right, we got to have some chocolate. Now, I always do semi-sweet for me, but Kennedy likes milk chocolate. So we're doing milk chocolate, right? Right. So I'm going to open the milk chocolate and we're pouring it in. Okay. Then we're going to put in a tablespoon of peanut butter. Now, y'all don't neglect the peanut butter part.
I ate one.
You ate one? I think that's okay. I think I would do that myself. Now what we're going to do now is put this peanut butter in there, and that peanut butter makes it so good. It's not as sweet and it gives a good peanut buttery taste. Do you want to get some on this little spoon right here for you to eat? Well, I think you eat that while I go melt this. I'll be right back. It won't take long at all. So what we've got to do is make sure that these little things get melted. Do you see those are already melted? This is what we got to do. Do you want to stir it? Okay, don't touch the pan, just stir. Very good. Go around like that. Yeah. Very good. Oh, you're a pro. Tell me when you want me to do it. See how it's melting so fast? We're gonna pour that on top of that good stuff in the bottom. All right, give me a little gander at it. Oh yeah. Now when we get it poured, then we gotta let it cool for a little while and then you can eat it, okay? Come on, I'm gonna put a little bit over this and we gotta let this cool. This will be yours in just a minute, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna let that cool. All right, now we're gonna take this and put it in the refrigerator so it will cool faster, okay? Okay, all right, come on over here. We're about to pour it up, Kennedy. Okay, there we go. Okay, girlie, you ready? We gotta spread this out in a hurry. So I'm gonna put half of this on yours and we're gonna spread it out like this, okay? You ready? Okay, we're gonna pour the melted chocolate with a little bit of peanut butter on it. Go ahead, rake it in. Okay, start spreading it. Can you spread it? There we go. Spread it to every side. Good job. Do you want a little bit more? Okay, put some right there. That's what I do when I like a recipe. I laugh. You must take after me. All right, let's spread it. Try to get it even on the top. You getting yours? We might have ate some of that chocolate. You think we ate some of it? We might have. Now, normally when I go really fast, we get it on there pretty fast and it's a neat, smooth surface. But when you're playing in the kitchen, sometimes it is what it is. Let me help you do a little bit on that side. You've got a big puddle of chocolate right here. Okay, keep it going. That looks so good. And you're 3 years old and you're already a chef. Oh, that looks good, Kennedy. Okay. Do I know anybody who might want to lick the spoon? Do I know anybody who might want to lick the spoon? That's what I thought. That's my girl. You like it? Okay, this right here is Kennedy's, and this right here is mine, and they're going in the refrigerator. But I have one I've put in there for Kennedy to taste, so I'm gonna pull a small one out for her to taste. Is that okay? Okay. I put this in one of my little measuring cups. All right, Kennedy, this is chocolate and peanut butter. You need to drink a tea before we go on. We're gonna let her taste it. Here it is. You ready? Okay. What do you think? Good. Chocolate Reese bars. You gonna take this recipe home with you? You're full of chocolate and peanut butter now, aren't you? Okay, I'm gonna get this all wrapped up and ready to send home, and she's gonna take this home and her family's gonna really enjoy this. Hop back up here, girlie, and we'll get a picture. There you go, here we go. Now y'all get your kids, your grandkids, your nieces, your nephews in the kitchen and cook with them, because I know it's really fun. And you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be fun and tasty. And that's what we've done today. Kennedy, thank you for coming. Say you're welcome.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll come back and see me again. Will you come back and see me again sometime? Okay, don't y'all love her? She likes that George peach tea. All right, give me a good hug. All right, let's tell them what we always tell them. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye. All right, very good. Got chocolate and peanut butter all over me.